Hi, Rena. Hope you're doing well. I fell off the bandwagon a little bit with my videos that I was sending to you, so I'm hoping to get back on. What we did after we finished all of our assignments for Chapter 17, Section 1.6, which I think we just finished that yesterday. I forgot to add in there for you. I'll double check on that. Check real quick for you. Yeah, got it. Okay. I see I gotta get some assignments in for you. Yep. Yeah, so that you can finish those up. So I think I just have Chapter 17, Section 1.6. I have the reading that we did right here, which was primarily over water pollution and some of the challenges with water scarcity and how much is being used throughout the region to help provide a resource for over 1 billion people. So I have a couple things that I'll add to the classroom here for you. One is our reading that we did, and then when you're finished with that, there's a quiz, which I think you'll be just fine. On our quiz, I allowed students to use their notes that they took or the questions they finished. So whatever I assigned to them, I let them use their assignments for the quiz. So what I make sure that I will do here in just a moment is add in all the reading that you should have. Yeah, so I got this, got that. 1.6, I got to add in that assignment for you, and then the quiz. I'll let you take those and turn those in, and then you should be, I believe, all caught up for us. You're doing a great job. Please let me know if you need any help with anything. Have a great weekend.